Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Anyway guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get this whole look, my outfit, everything. Yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did my makeup, where I got my hair, where I got my outfit, and my jewelry and all that, guys. I always got you when it comes to plugging you guys to the best of the best. So without no further ado, let's head to the video. So excited. Okay, so guys, I have done my brows off camera, and yeah, you just have to let the concealer dry a bit. I've used the Zaron liquid concealer in this shade. So I have used this concealer around my eyes, and what I'm going to do is just pat around this area with a small brush so that it can look even. We're also using this concealer as a primer, so just blend out the concealer on your eyes with a small brush. It's going to take time, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. So from the Zaron Cosmetics palette, this is a splash palette, and this is how it looks.
Man a bad man, they can try to see. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay. If you play my music, if you get my CD, if you hear me when you see me, nah. They want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, they got to go. Tobari me in the bed, I'ma calm down.
Also using the face primer from Zaron. Yeah, so guys, for my foundation, I'm using the Healthy Glow foundation in the shade FZ35, and it's a matte foundation. What is spray the setting spray on the brush for me to have a seamless finish, and you guys are just going to see how it's going to look after I finish blending. It's looking kind of ashy and weird right now, but trust the process, guys, trust the process. And just then let this sit for like a minute, then blend it out after, because we want the concealer to sit in a bit on the skin so that it can, I don't know how to explain it, but just leave it for like a minute, then blend it out. It's better when it's a bit dry and not too dry. We want to get rid of the lines around this, especially for someone who has eye bags. Like, just try doing this, then let me know what you think. Zaron Face Definer. It has the highlighter, the contour, and the other one, my highlighter broke, but we have these two, and I'm going to be contouring using this. So I'm going to be setting my face with the Iron Oil Control Mineral Loose Powder. Yellow compared to the other setting powders I've had, and that is what I love about it. The other setting powders I had were a bit of whitish, so this is better for me. I prefer this.
Man a bad man, they can try this. What my Grwm is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hit me when you see me. Nah, they want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, will they make up? They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, no my calm down. Original bad man.
It's VQs.
Standard. Hail me if they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio. Every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake who's man a bad man, they can try this. What my Grwm is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my
So I'm just going to set my face with the setting spray. I'm going to show you my hair. Just wait, because you guys ain't ready, because I have like 2 wigs, but I think I settled with 1 wig because I want you guys to see how good this wig looks. Yeah, so yeah, I'll be right back. And I have this afro wig from Coco Chanel on IG, and this is how the wig cap looks. Yeah, it's a crochet wig, and this is how the wig cap looks. It's kind of stockinish. It's a stocking kind of a wig cap. But what I love about these wig caps from their wigs is the fact that it's stretchy, so it can fit any size and any type of head. That is what I love about this. They also have the adjustable caps, but I really do not want to go with the adjustable caps, because if you have cornrows which are a bit thick and use this cap, it's going to fit pretty well. Also, if you have dreadlocks and you use this cap, it's going to fit quite nicely. This is why I love this cap. So I'm going to be putting it on. As you can see, the front is supposed to be short and the back is supposed to be long. So if you're going to be having this wig and you kind of don't know how to put it on, make sure you hold it like this from the wig cap. The front is supposed to be short and the back is supposed to be long. If you put it on the right way, then it's going to look pretty nice. Whoa. Yeah. So let me just fix it for you guys to see. This is the super extra afro twist, and you can see, if you do not want the bangs to be long, you can just pull it back. If I pull it forward like that, it's covering my whole face and all that, and I do not want it to cover my face like that. So you just pull it back and it's going to work for you, or you can just trim it, but I do not want to trim it because I feel like it's going to be really short on the front. So let me just pull it back. Nice. It's really nice. It's really nice. So if you get to put on if you get to put on this wig and feel like there are parts at the front which are just too much, you just trim a bit. You trim a bit of it, but not too much, because you do not want to spoil it. Just like that. Just like oh my god guys, I feel so cute and pretty. So let me put on my outfit so that I can show you guys how this final look looks. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to be showing you my outfit for this look. I kind of wanted to have a specific look for this look. So this is the dress I'm going to be putting on. So I got this dress from Samzi Fashion Trends on IG. I'm going to put a link down there. Okay, so I'm going to accessorize and I'm going to be putting on this necklace. And the necklace is from Sophie Store on IG. I'll also put a link. This is how it looks. I really love this necklace. I think this is one of my favorite necklaces from her collection, because I have quite a few from her. And I'm putting it on with red heels, as you can see up here. So this is how the dress looks. I just love the details around this area. I had to stand on my bed to show you guys how cute this fit is. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial, and I hope you have loved this makeup and hair and outfit tutorial. So I will be putting every detail of everything that I've used on the description box, including my outfit, makeup details, my necklace, my hair. You know guys, I'll always be plugging you guys to these awesome amazing things. Wow, I just feel cute. I feel amazing. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. So let me take a few pictures with the look. Yeah guys, so until our next video, bye.